raining again. So today is Thursday, don't know what the date is, but yesterday I finished doing the solar panel on the van. Now off to work, so we're going to take George because it's raining. Just switch cameras. Rightio, let's fire George up. I'm only taking him because it's raining. Been using the bike. Best to turn the key on. I had a chance to have a look at this exhaust, but because I know what's going on, I'll sort it out when I get a chance. It's a bit tight here today because I moved the white span up. As you can notice, the van's turned around again, and the reason that is I had the old tumble dryer from the shed or the garage, and I took it to the dump today. I used the bus. I didn't make a video or anything, we just nipped there. It was nice to get the bus out, drove fine, so that's all good. We're still debating whether to go away for one night, Saturday night in the bus, or whether to go to Army Hall Classic Car. We're not sure yet. We need to keep an eye on what's going on with this weather. You know how it's been like, on and off. You get a shower, it's really heavy. If you saw the other video, you know the Harley is gone. I'm sure one day I'll have another one. Usually do end up getting some sort of bike, but at this moment in time in my life, there's no room for one. Anyway, so obviously today we're out in George on a wet ride to work. It's going to be quite short, I should think, just the ride to work. If the weather's okay when I leave off, I need to pop round where we saw that car. Well, I'm thinking about getting some spares if they want to get rid of her. You just never know. But it's a case if you don't ask, you don't get. And I've done that before. I've seen an old car and I've said, oh, I wonder what they're going to do with that. I wonder what they're going to do with that. And think, well, they're probably doing a harp or whatever. I even had a case once where one person told me that, oh, my husband's going to do art, and that was there for about 6-7 years. Even someone else told me about it and said they would inquire, and they said her husband's going to do it up. And then lo and behold, like I say, 6-7 years later, I see it being picked up by a skip lorry for scrap. People just dream. But time goes on. He probably, the older may have had good intentions on doing art, might have died or something, you just don't know, do you? But that's what happened. Then these things go to waste. I've got a feeling that's going to get out again soon. Like I say, you get really heavy downpours. So, if that is out okay when it comes to leave off time, it's only round the corner. We'll pop and have a look and see if there's anyone there where the car is. We have a little mock years in case you didn't know. That's been there a few years now. I've been back a couple of times. I never seem to catch anyone, but the idea is to find out what it's doing with it. And hopefully if it's possible to get hold of it. Wow, making a pig's ear of this. I'll tell you what, these mirrors are fine and rubbish for reversing. Well, that'll do. Right, let's go around and find out. What is that? Well, unfortunately there's no one in, but look what else is down the side of the house. An old Austin. Maybe he does still work on cars. Maybe he's got a workshop somewhere. This is his home address where he keeps them. Waiting to be done up, who knows? But there's no one home again, so I'll have to try again another day. But there is one car to drive, but there's also enough space here for another car. And there's no one here. Just have another look. You can see there has been work done on it, but it looks like it might have been abandoned. You just don't know, do you? Looks like the boot is in better days, but in the all, like I say, I like the wheel trims. A lot of old rubbish inside. Maybe even if he just flogged me the door, would be handy. So it looks like I'm just going to have to try again to try and catch someone around. Okay, so I'm just going to have to leave this video, or leave it here for this car, and just keep trying. Sharing this video.